Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pythonora. This is Anushka and today we are going to talk about a question on a string. I request you to please watch the previous video based on the strings in Python in which I have detailed each and everything about the strings. Okay, so let's see what the question is today which we are going to solve. Okay, the question is write a Python program to get a string from user where all the currents of its first character have been changed to dollar except the first character itself. What it actually means, we are going to take an input from user. Okay, so whatever the user will give us, we are going to look if the user is giving this, matlab, whatever he or she can give. Okay, whatever the first character will be, every time we'll get the character in the string we have to change it with the dollar symbol. Okay, so but the first character will remain same like this. If it is a, then it will be a, and every other a will be replaced by dollar. Similarly, like this will be our output. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do this. Coming to anaconda, launching Jupyter notebook will just take few seconds. Okay, so now new, then Python 3. Okay, so what are we going to do? First we have to take the input. So a is equal to input, uh, brackets, inverted commas, let me say, uh, enter the string or whatever message you want to print. Okay, then what are we going to do? We have to copy the first character in a variable. Let me say b is equal to a of 0. Whatever the first character in a will be, that will be copied to b. And then in another variable c is equal to, we are going to copy the everything other than the first character. Let me say a of, from first index till the last. If we are not mentioning anything here, it means everything till the last will be taken. Okay, because we don't know about the length of a string, so we are doing this. Okay, and this will work properly. So we are going to change everything here, not in a. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to just take another variable, then c dot replace within brackets, um, b. Why are we writing b? Because we don't know na, what the string will be. So b comma within inverted commas dollar. Okay, then we are going to take another variable, c is equal to b plus e, sorry, b plus d, and then we are going to print e. Okay, so let's run the code. Enter the string, let me say Anushka academics AGYUA, then we'll click on enter and we got the output. Okay, I hope this is visible to you. Okay, so here is the output. I hope you understood this. Please try it on with any other string, whatever you want. Okay, you'll and try to do it by yourself. Try another questions. We have a lot of questions on this on the internet. Just go for it. Okay, we'll discuss another questions by tomorrow. Okay, I thought the video will go a bit longer, so I just wanted to divide each and everything. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching the lecture. um, Thank you so much. Bye bye.